In this video, I show you how to fix Google something went wrong. Sorry, something went wrong there. Please try again. When you add your account on Gmail app for fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on search button, search on Gmail, click on Gmail, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on three dot. Now click on show system app. Now search again Google Partner setup. Click on it. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Gmail app. Now click on add another email address. Now click on Google. Now I hope that this method fix Google something went wrong. Sorry, something went try again problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.